At the just ended AI Day a few days ago, Tesla announced their plans for the development of the next generation of a general-purpose humanoid robot. The Tesla bot, codenamed Optimus, will be 5'8" and will weigh about 125 pounds. It can also run 5 miles per hour, which is a regular walking speed for a human being. It can deadlift 150 pounds, so don't worry if you want to skip a workout.
I got you. Let him lay down. Everything.
But really though, this robot is meant to handle dangerous, repetitive and mundane tasks. Now, based on their annotations from Tesla's presentation, the face of the robot will include a screen to display vital information. Now, the body of the robot will be made of lightweight yet durable materials and will contain a total of 40 electromechanical actuators, serving as joints and muscles for movement. If you're not familiar with what an actuator is a device used to move or control a body or mechanism in a linear or rotational direction based on a particular control signal. For the Tesla bot, there will be a total of 12 actuators in the hands, 12 in the arms, 12 in the legs, 2 in its core or its torso, and 2 to help move the neck. Now, using a mechanism called force feedback sensing, the feet will help balance the body. It will also use full self-driving or FSD computer as used in its vehicle models to process the many neural networks implemented in the robot. The FSD will help Tesla bot be completely autonomous. Now, they plan to roll out the first prototypes by 2022, which is exciting. If Tesla pulls this off successfully, our lives could be different. First of all, the Tesla bot can be used in space exploration. Companies like NASA and SpaceX, which is owned by Elon Musk, can use these robots as dummies for planet reconnaissance. Just like NASA's Curiosity rover is currently on Mars, looking for possible life, a number of Tesla bots on Mars could be beneficial. Somehow, I can't shake the feeling that the reason Elon Musk is building Optimus is for Mars colonization. Also, the Tesla bot could be used in the service industry. Places like hospitals, restaurants, grocery stores, and other public places could benefit from a Tesla bot. So a Tesla bot could replace a waiter, a stock clerk, or even a hospital clerk. Although it may mean unemployment for these individuals, overall it will make society a lot more efficient. And who knows, maybe those who lose their jobs can come up with much better ideas that continue to change our world. Potentially, the Tesla bot could be used to do stunts in Hollywood. Now, not too long ago, Disney announced the potential for stunt robots. So they showed a couple of robots doing stunts in videos. And honestly, it looked exciting. Now, these robots can adjust their position mid-air while holding the perfect superhero pose. The Tesla bot, with its enabled flexibility based on the number of actuators we actually have in there, could potentially be of good help in this area. The good news about stunt robots is that it doesn't spell unemployment for stunt actors. Actually, they will be beneficial. The stunt double for Chris Hemsworth, Bobby Holland-Hanton, in an interview with The Insider, had this to say.
While we're rehearsing our stunts for a movie, we build up each stunt in increments and we start slow and build it up until the final product. And it can take time, but the reason we do that and take the time is because it's the safest way to do it. So we could potentially introduce a stunt robot to test the stunt for us to a point where we think, okay, well, let's not keep beating up the human to get it right. Let's maybe use the stunt robot for a section of it. And then when we feel it's ready to plug the human in, we plug the human in. I mean, it would actually make me a lot happier if I could get a stunt robot to test up until a certain point of a stunt, and then I'll just take the robot out, I'll step in and do it maybe a couple of times and we're good to go. So, I mean, it sounds good to me.
So yes, this will actually keep the stuntmen safe. The development of this project will push the limits of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and neural networks. And honestly, it will be great to see this robot alive next year. If you're like me, you're probably wondering about whether the robot could be evil. Don't worry, Elon says it's supposed to be friendly, so we're Gucci, you know. I mean, that's what Tony Stark and Bruce Banner said about Ultron, but we're hoping this doesn't happen.
Only to fall. You, Avengers, you are my meteor, my swift and terrible.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, smack the like button, and if you've not subscribed already, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.